Hello, good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about the new topic, that is imperfection of solid. Today we are going to discuss about the new topic, that is imperfection of solid. Right students, imperfection of solid. So defects or imperfection solid means the defects is basically irregularity in the arrangement of constituent particles. So look at here, the constituent particles are present. Constant particles are present here. Constant particles. Right. No, not students. It's not correct. So constant particles. So constant particles are arranged side by side, one above the other. That is we called as a regularity. That is we called regularity. Right, students. So here irregularity indicated. Irregularity means the constant particles in which the central part we are removing, or we are removing the corner part, any one atom, a central atom or corner atoms we are removed from this crystal. After removing the central part or the corner part, one of the vacancy, one of the empty spaces develop here. This empty space we called as a defects. Right, students, this empty space we called as defects. Right. So irregularity, this is the regular arrangement, continuously particles arranged side by side, one above the other. But here the second row, second atom is missing here. So this is we called as a irregularity. So this irregularity we called as a defects. Understood, students? Okay, let's see, students, the classification of defects. Already we know that defects also called as imperfection of solid. Defects also called as a perfection of solid. So defects are two types. First one, point defects. Second one, line defects. Point defects. Right, students. First one is point defects, second one is line defects. Point defects are again classified as a three types: stoichiometric defects, B non-stoichiometric defects, C impurity defects. Right, students. Stoichiometric defects are again classified as a two types: non-ionic defects or non-ionic means atoms. Non-ionic means the atom. Right, students? Atom. And ionic defects. Non-ionic defect and ionic defects. Non-ionics are classified as two types: vacancy and interstitial defects. Ionic defect classified as two types: Schottky and Frankel defects. Right, students? Non-stoichiometry classified as two types: metal excess defect, metal deficiency defect. And third one is the impurity defects. We are adding impurity, that is impurity. So this is the flow chart, students. This is the flow chart of the classification of solid. Right? If you want, you have to take the screenshot. This is the classification of solid. Right, students? Okay, let's come to the point. So first one we are going to discuss here the point defects. Point defect means this is nothing but the atomic defects. Irregularity or deviations from the ideal arrangement of entire around the point atom in a crystalline substance. So crystalline substances are present here. The crystalline particles are lying with the side by side, one above the other. They are lying in the systematic order. They are lying here. Students, the systematic form, they are lying here. So what happens, students? So in this crystal, if you have removed one crystal, so this is the irregularity is developed here. Irregularity, right? So one of the atom, this is the shaded portion, one of the atom is removed. So why this irregularity is developed? Why the defects are developed? Because the first, while making the crystal, while the arrangement of this crystal substance, if constant particles are arranging in the rate of very fast order, constant particles are arranging in the rate of very fast order, the constant particles are in the fast rate, they are arranging one by one, side by side, during in which one of the constant particles are missing to set in this position. So that is the impurity develop here. That's students, impurity develop. So this is the reason, due to the fast function, the some many times we are doing the some very fast work, we are doing the fast writing, we are doing, we are missing the some points, we are missing the some lines, like that. The whenever the constant particles are arranging the side by side, one above the other, in during in which they are missing one particles, so due to that reason, the fast or moderate reason, the defects are developed. This is only the reason the scientists were explained. Right students, so constant particles are arranged in a crystalline form. In this crystalline form, one of the particle is removed, that is called point defects. Right students, second one is the line defects. Irregular deviation from ideal arrangement in an entire row of a lattice point called as line defects. Constant particles in this form, the constant particles are arranged in the row form, in this linear row form. In this linear row form, one of the particle is missing here. The constant particles are in the row form. In this form, one of the particle is missing, central part is missing here, particle is missing, so that is we call it the line defects. Point defect, the constant particles are arranged in a 3-dimensional order or a 2-dimensional order, in which the particles is missing, that is point defects. Constant particles are arranged in the form of row. In that row, one of the atom is missing, that is line defects. Understood students? So now we discuss the point and line defects. The point defects are 3 types: stoichiometry, non-stoichiometry, impurity. So let we discuss the point defects. Point defects. First type, stoichiometry. Stoichiometry defects. The stoichiometry means the balance, the number of atom is balanced, the total number of atom is even number of order, that is stoichiometry. Point or atom defects do not disturb the stoichiometry. The number of atoms are missing in the crystals, but number of atoms present in a even number form, even number of atoms, not a odd number, even number they present. For example, we are using the AB, 2 elements are present in the crystals. So this is a crystal in which A atoms also present, B atoms also present, right? So here, before missing, A is, you consider that the E is the 10%, A is 10 atom, and before missing B also 10 atom, B also present here, B 10 atom. After missing, in this crystal, A is also missing, B is also missing. It means how many left? A is 9 left and B is also 9 left. So there are even number of atoms is present here, so that is called the stoichiometry defects. Stoichiometry defects 2 types: non-ionic defects and ionic defects. Already we have discussed here. Stoichiometry defects are classified as 2 types: non-ionic defects and ionic defects. Let's see the non-ionic defects. Non-ionic means atom. Non-ionic means atoms are present in the form of constituents particle. Right students? So atoms are present in the form of constant particles called as non-ionic defects. So these non-ionic defects classified as 2 types: vacancy and interstitial defects. Right students? First one, vacancy defect students. So this vacancy defect, some lattice point are vacant in the crystal. Some lattice points are vacant. Some lattice point. These are lattice points. Number of atom is a lattice point. So lattice points are missing in the crystal. It is called vacancy. If some lattice points are removed, means some empty space is present here. The empty space. If you are removed this atom, this second row, second atoms are removed. Then second row, second position in which one vacant space is present. This vacant place we called as a vacancy. Vacancy defects. Right students? So this is due to decreased density of the solid. If the one of the atoms are removed, after removing you may measure the mass or density of the first one and the second one. After removing the constant particles, you are measure the density before removing crystal and before removing lattice point, after removed lattice point. So you may measure here the difference in the density because difference in number of atoms. In the earlier, before breaking of lattice point, the 9 atoms are present, 9 atoms. After removing the lattice point, 8 atoms are present. So difference in number of atom, difference in mass, so that's why vacancy is created. So this is due to densities changes. So why this happened? The one of the reason is that why vacancy is created in the atom, because so like this students, the vacancy is created because of heated. Whenever we are heating the some crystals, the particles are move far apart from each other. If the far apart from each other, one of the particles are leave the crystal. That is, this is vacancy defects. Second one, interstitial defects students. Second one, interstitial defects. Some constituent particle occupy interstitial site called as interstitial defects. This defects density remains same. Look at here students. So this is the one of the regular arrangement of crystal in which we are removing this second one atom we are removing. If you remove this second one and occupy here, this atom occupy here, this atom occupying here, so it means the constituent particles occupying the interstitial site. Interstitial site means the space occupied between the 4 constituent particles called as interstitial site. This form. So when you measure the mass and density of before deviating the crystal and after deviating crystal, then you got the density remains same students. Understood? Second one, ionic defects. Ionic defects means the name only here, name only representing the ions are creating the vacancy, ions are creating the defects, ions are creating the imperfection of the crystal. Ionic defects. So it means constant particles are present in the form of ions called as ionic defects. Constant particles present in the form of ions, and these ions create vacancy called as ionic defects. Constant particles present in the form of ions defects. So this defect occurs because of ions, or you may say this definition is very good definition students. So this is a very good definition, you may use this one. Ions are responsible for defects called as ionic defects. Ions are responsible for the defects called as ionic defects. So this is the crystal students. So ions are arranged here the alternative order. So in this alternative order, if we are remove any one positive ions or any one negative ions from the crystals, that is called as ionic defects. Right students? So ionic defects are two types. First one, Schottky defects. Second one, Frankel defects. Schottky defect. Both cation and anions are missing from a crystal called as Schottky defects. Both cation and anions are missing in a crystal from a crystal called as Schottky defect. So how is it happened? The why both cations and anions are removed from the crystal? Because the reason is cation and anions are missing due to the similar size. Cations and anions having the similar size. A crystal in which ions are present, and both ions, cation and anions having the similar size, then they are producing the Schottky defect. It means one cations are removed means one anions are removed. Two cations are removed means simultaneously two anions are removed. 10 cations are removed means 10 anions are removed. So that is we call as the Schottky defects. Right, students? So Schottky defects decrease density of the crystal. The Schottky defects in which density changes. NaCl, KCl, CgCl, AgBr are the example. And Schottky defect maintain the electrical neutrality. Number of positive ion equal to number of negative ions. That is neutrality. So look at here, students. One of the crystal I am using here, sodium chloride. One of the sodium is missing from this side. Second position, simultaneously chloride also missing. If removed means, then what happens, students? So number of positive ions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cation. Number of chlorides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 anions. So it is electrically neutral. Understood, students? So NaCls are approximately, the NaCls are there approximate 10 to the power of 6. It means the 1 million. 1 million Schottky pairs per centimeter cube. Now 1 centimeter cube of NaCl contain 10 millions NaCl. 1 centimeter cube contains 10 millions of NaCl pair. So 1 centimeter cube about 10 to the power of 22 ions are present. In 1 million, how many number of ions are present? Total, if you count total of positive and negative ions, total ion is 10 to the power of 22 ions are present here, students. And the Schottky defects arises per 10 to the power of 16 ions. The Schottky defects arises 10 to the power of 16 between ions. Right, students? Next one, students, Frankel defects. Second one, Schottky defect is over. Second one is the Frankel defects. Small ions, smaller cation or smaller cations are the shift into interstitial site called as Frankel defects. The cation always small size because of the electron releasing. After releasing electrons, the proton number increases, electrons are decreased, so that's why number of electrons closer to the nucleus, so that is cation size is very small as compared to anion. So students, that is Frankel defects. Frankel defects, let's see how it occurs. So look at here, students. I am using here the number of constant ions. These all are ions. Positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative ions are there. So in this crystal, this second atom, first row, second constant particles shift into between the second and third row. So that is we called as a Frankel defects. It is we called as Frankel defects. Right, students? Frankel defects. Frankel defects also called as a dislocation defects. Why? Because this first row second atom dislocated from the respective position and shift into other position, that is dislocation defects. It do not change density of the solid. The density remains same when you measure the density of this before dislocation and after dislocation. The density remains same because number of atoms are same. This defect occurs because difference in size of the ions. So why this happened? Why constant particles are shifted into interstitial site? Because the constant particle shifting in the interstitial size, that ion is the cation. That ion is cation, and cation is a very small size and shifted into the small volume in between this row. Understood, students? So difference occurs because of the size of the ion. Example ZnS, AgCl, AgBr, etc. Understood, students? So AgBr is the one of the example which is show both Frankel as well as Schottky defects. Right, students? Okay, second one, students, non-stoichiometric defects. Large number of non-stoichiometric inorganic solid known which contain constant element, the non-stoichiometric ratio due to the defect their crystal structure. So non-stoichiometric means, students, the difference number of ions. Cation is high, anions are less, or anions are high, cations are less. So this occurs, the ratio of cation and anions are not equal. That is called non-stoichiometry defects. So this is two types. Already we know that this is two types. That is the metal excess defects, metal deficiency defects. First one, metal excess defects. So name only represented metals are high. Metals are high. Excess means high. So metal excess defect due to anion vacancy. Anions are leaving the crystals and cations are remains in the crystals. So that is metal excess defects. When crystals of NaCl is heated in an atmosphere heated in an atmosphere of sodium vapors. The crystal of NaCl crystals we are heated with sodium vapors. Chloride ions diffuse to the surface of the crystal. Whatever the NaCl crystal is there, NaCl crystal in which the chloride ions are removed. If chloride ions are removed and it attract the sodium vapors to give the NaCl, right? To give NaCl, while removing the chloride ions, leaving behind this electron on its respective position, the NaCl. This happen loss of electron by sodium atom to form sodium ions. Electron diffused into crystal occupy anion site. Electrons are diffused into crystal anion site. It means the students, what happened here, when the sodium metal, look at it students, this is a crystal. So these crystals are heated with sodium vapors. So this chlorine atom, the third row, second chlorine atom react with the sodium atom to form sodium chloride to create here vacancy, right? And sodium atom electrons are shifted on the sodium electron is a positive, sodium electron is a negative charge. It is attracted to the sodium ions are there here in that vacancy. So electrons are shifted here. So in this form. So this is we called as this is impart a kind of color. That is yellow color, called as Faurbenzenter or F center. May call Faurbenzenter or F center. Understood students? Chloride ions from this or any one chloride ions react with the sodium vapors on heating. The sodium vapors react with attract the one chlorine atom. One chlorine atoms are attract the sodium to form sodium chloride. If one chlorine is removed, attract the sodium atom leaving electron, because it's a metal is only electrons are released. So these electrons are released by the metal atom. That electrons are attract to the vacant position. Here the vacant positions are in place. Electrons are occupy and exhibit yellow color, called as Faurbenzenter. Right students? That is we called as the Faurbenzenter or F center. Right students? One more example here, metal excess defects. The metals are occupying at the interstitial sites. So zinc oxide impart yellow color by releasing oxygen on heating. Zinc oxides heated to form zinc ion and oxide ion, releasing 2 electrons. So this all of the zinc and the oxygens. So in this case, the one of the oxygens are removed from this position. Oxygens are removed and the electrons are occupying here. The electrons, zinc ion, all the zinc ions are present here, right? So zinc, the oxygens leaving behind the 2 electrons and the remove the position, and this also impart the one of the yellow color. So in which you may count the total number of positive and negative ions: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 zinc ions are present here students, and 1. So after dislocation students, So an oxygen atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 the oxide ions, students. And let's count here. The 10 number of zinc ion is 10. But one oxygen is removed. So oxygen is 9. Students. Oxygen is 9. So metal is high, oxygen is non-metal is less. So it is called metal excess defects. Right, students? Examples. Before dissociation, count sodium ion 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sodium ion. Chloride ion 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 chloride ions. Right, students? After removing, just count this structure, students. The 8 sodium ion and chloride 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 chloride ions. So metal is high, non-metal is low, so it is called metal excess defect. Right, students? So so next is the metal deficiency defects. So name only represent metal is less, non-metal is high. In many solid contain less amount of metal as compared to the stoichiometric portion or non-metals. Example FeO, FeO2, Fe plus 2, Fe in a plus 2 oxidation state. Cation are missing or lost positive charge. If cations are missing from the position, then how to maintain the crystal form? How to maintain the crystal? Then Fe plus 2 made up the presence of required plus 3 ion. It means when the the iron oxide compound in which the Fe plus 2 iron oxide state is Fe plus 2. If in this case the number of positive ions equal to number of negative ions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 iron ions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 oxide ions. Both are equal. If any one crystal from which the iron ions are removed on heating or by the heating or electrical process, the any one cations are removed. Then if cations are removed from this position means the crystal also maintain this whole substance present exist in crystal form because the neighbor cations change their oxidation state to show the interaction to this lattice point. So lattice point here, students, Fe plus 2, the second row third atom which is the Fe plus 2 state. If second third row fourth atom iron is removed by heating or any other process, it is removed. One iron atom is removed here. Right? So let's see. Number of iron atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 Fe plus 2. Oxygens are same, so 10 O minus 2. 10 O minus 2. So in this crystal, so how these are arranged in the crystal form? Why these are arranged in existing crystal form? Because if one of the cations are removed from this respective position, then neighbor iron atom, either this one or this one, neighbor iron atom are change their oxidation state, that is plus 2 to plus 3. Because if plus 3 oxidation state increases, then nuclear attraction, this oxygen nuclear attraction toward this one also increases. This again capture all the ions towards itself by increasing oxidation states. In this state they are maintain the crystal form. The students understood? Efficiency defects. So last one, impurity defects. Molten NaCls, it means sodium NaCls are heating till it turns into liquid form, molten NaCls are mixed with the strontium chloride, the sodium ion occupied strontium chloride. Then what happened? Some sodium positions are replaced by strontium. Some sodiums are removed, at their position strontiums are occupying. Each strontium replaces the 2 sodium ions. Strontium, when you are mixing strontium, the sodium chloride, the molten NaCls in which you are mixing the strontium chlorides. Then what happens, students? The one strontium removing 2 sodium ions to form crystal structures. So cation vacancy is produced is equal to strontium is equal to the number of strontium ions. So look at here, students. So NaCls we are mixing with the strontium, molten NaCl treated with the strontium chloride. Then what happens, students? One strontium replace the 2 sodium ions. One strontium replace the, okay students, the mistake here. Okay, this one we are removing this one. So one vacancy is created here, another vacancy is created here. So one strontium replace the 2 sodium ions because its oxygen state is 2. So that's why it again maintain the whole maintain the crystals in the crystal form. In this form, crystal form, strontium oxygen state is plus 2. It attract the this chloride, and this chloride. Due to oxygen state is higher than the sodium atom, so that's why it attract all the chloride ions. Show the interaction to all the chloride ions to maintain the electrical neutrality and maintain the this substance as a crystal form. So this is impurity. It means one of the any pure substance in which we are adding the crystal, any other foreign impurity, then foreign impurity replace the replace the some atoms and maintain electrical neutrality. Right, students? So this is about the impurity defect, students. I hope you understand. Thank you.